Hello, hola, bonjour, all of the languages. I'll learn more, but I'm so excited that we had our first day today. If you missed class, I'm going to show you what we did today in class. So if you go to Google Classroom, you can click here, and this is our meeting link. And then here are all of our assignments. So you're going to look over here where it says today's classwork. So Monday, the do now was to say hi. So everybody typed in the chat their name and their favorite ice cream flavor or food. And then here is the next thing we did. I talked a little bit about how we need to be in class every day and how to act on Zoom. So I showed this poster. So if we look at it closer, mostly is just say hi to me when you turn on Zoom and come to class. Make sure it's quiet or turn off your mic, mute your mic. Make sure everything is charged, ready to go. Make sure one person is talking at a time, and make sure you pay attention, listen very closely, and you can type your questions in the chat, which a lot of you did a good job with today. Make sure you speak clearly, and we really want to practice speaking English together. And of course, make sure we are respecting each other and not taking pictures or saying bad things or all of that. Cool, so that was what we talked about today in class. Then we did some getting to know you. So this one was really fun. I put up these slides and then you guys answered them in the chat or by saying. So I asked, what languages do you speak? And in our class, we have people who speak Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Urdu, I think, are the ones that we had in class. We had, where's your family from? Everywhere from El Salvador, Brazil, Mexico, France, Tibet. We had a lot of different people in ELD classes. I had some favorite animals that were really fun. Someone said panda, someone said dogs. I said a penguin, dolphins, so all different types of things. Favorite foods from your country, pupusas, tacos, croissants, all of those things I heard, I remember. And then if you could only eat one food, again, pupusas, tacos, and all of that. So if you were not here, you can maybe answer these questions and send them to me on Remind or email. And then the last thing we did was this class walkthrough. So I showed you where are the things on Google Classroom and where are the things on my website, and then we did the assignment. So what it looks like is all of these boxes are on the side, and then you have to move them for the right answer. So where do you turn in all of your assignments? You turn in all of your assignments on Google Classroom. Okay, so we'll always go to Google Classroom here to turn in our homework and the stuff that we do in class. Right, so we did all of these questions on here. Where will I put announcements? Google Classroom, website, and Remind. Where are you going to look for the Do Now? That's in Google Classroom. Where can you get the website? That's also in Google Classroom. Basically, you go to Google Classroom for everything, right? Where is the schedule? Google Classroom or my website. Same thing, Google Classroom or my website for what are we doing for the week. Where can you find help? Google Classroom, my website, or you can text me on Remind and I'll send it to you. Where should you go if you missed a live Zoom? And actually, we should put this one on here too. So you can go to any of these places. You can message me You can write on Google Classroom, you can check Google Classroom, or you can check my website. Okay. If you need to ask me a question, all of them work. And if you need to get reminders for things that are happening, Google Classroom or text. Okay, so here's our class code for Remind in case you need it. So if you go to my website here, I put it on this. So right here where it says biology, text the message at BioELDF to the number 81010. So this is the code. BIOELDF. Cool. So there's that. And then you guys worked on your letter. This is for homework if you didn't finish. And look, some people already turned it in. Nice. So if you click on here, letter to Miss Nguyen, you're going to type your answers in. And it says, make your answer in a different color so Miss Nguyen can read it. So it looked like this. There was no writing over here. So yours looks like this, no writing, right? And then you're gonna type in it. So it says, my name is, and then you'll write your name. My name is Miss Nguyen. And then I wanna change the color. So I'm gonna highlight it and then click on the A and then pick whatever color I want. Okay, next, my family is from the country Vietnam and Philippines. So my dad is from Vietnam and my mom is from the Philippines. And I speak what language? I speak English and a little bit of Spanish. Okay, so you're going to answer all of the questions, and then when you're done on Google Classroom, you're gonna click turn it in or mark as done, and that's how I get to see all of your homework and your answers. Cool? So that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.